Hello, it's Love at Home with Kim. So for today, I'm going to show you the steps that I did in order to organize my pantry. Here's how our pantry looks like before because I have been overlooking this task for a while. My first step is to remove everything from the pantry and looking at each and every product and item to make sure that we aren't keeping anything that's expired. After clearing everything out, I'm just going to wipe down the whole pantry. This would include cleaning, dusting, and sanitizing the entire pantry and shelves because we haven't been doing that in a long time. Before putting the items back into the pantry, I would categorize them into groups and put them in their necessary containers. Most of these containers are bought from the Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Target, and Amazon. Next, I would print the labels of the items for the pantry to make things more organized and easier for people to find these items. Initially, I printed them out in the computer and had to cut them one by one, but eventually I just gave up and bought this label maker from Amazon. You can also print out the instructions and expiration date and stick them at the back of the containers in order to make sure that your food products are always fresh. These clear plastic containers are bought from the Dollar Tree, and I just got rid of the covers of them so I can put my oils, sauces, condiments, and other miscellaneous products. I also love this 3-tier storage that I got from the Container Store and the Dollar Tree, which I use to store my canned goods. This can rack organizer that I got from the Container Store is a very stylish way to store my husband's soda cans. These wired baskets are a perfect container for onions, garlic, potatoes, or those produce that need to be stored in a cool, dark place like the pantry. I also cut some fridge liners that I got from the Container Store in order to put them at the bottom of the wired baskets just to prevent any kind of mess. Another favorite of mine are these under-the-shelf wired containers that I can just put my bread or breakfast biscuits or anything that I want to be easily seen. Plus, this is also a good way for you to maximize every space inside your pantry. I also got these huge jars from Smart and Final, which would store my breakfast biscuits, and these jars that I got from TJ Maxx, which I can store my treats or sweets, my snacks, and my rice. What I love about these containers is that you can just write the name of the contents using a chalk and you can just easily erase them by the time you decide to put something else in them. These OXO containers or airtight containers are perfect storage for pasta. I've also put the different mixes and spices in these acrylic containers as well as my ready-to-eat oatmeal. This white wired basket that I got from Ross is a perfect item that I can put different kinds of items or miscellaneous things that I just want to be organized, so I just put them in one container. I also want to have that natural touch in our pantry, so I got these brown baskets that I got from different stores in order to store my mixes, my mason jars, and my water bottles. After putting the food products in each of their containers and labeling them, I decided to put them and organize them into the pantry. The two most accessible shelves will have the items that we use the most, such as bread, snacks, condiments, oils, rice, produce, and canned goods. The bottom shelf will have the miscellaneous items, the excess items, pasta sauces, and I decided to place our air fryer here since it won't fit in most of our shelves and cabinets, plus it kind of looks good in this pantry. On the floor below the bottom shelf is a perfect place to put heavy items such as the water bottles in case we have guests over, and these woven baskets that I got from the Philippines, which would store my kitchen towels and other miscellaneous stuff. And we also use these baskets sometimes to buy groceries. The hard to access corners of each shelf is a perfect place to add this Lazy Susan for condiments. Since we still have a ton of space in our pantry, I used this topmost shelf in order to place different items that would look aesthetically pleasing for the pantry and just to add some character to it. Alright you guys, so these are my ideas in order to organize the pantry, and please let me know at the comment section down below if this video has helped or even inspired you to organize your own pantry. Don't forget, if you're on Instagram, make sure you tag me in the pictures of your pantry, and I'll put my Instagram at the description box down below. If you like this video, maybe you'd also consider watching this video over here, which shows you how I organize my coffee bar at home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!